Today we are doing some snow photography. We had a pretty intense storm during the last couple of days here in Israel. So Nadav somewhere over there, Shira, where is she? Over there, and I decided to head up north and do a little shoot, travel a bit. And I figured it would be nice to bring you guys along through the process of like how I'm taking photos, what composition I'm looking for when I'm doing some snow photography. So yeah, it's gonna be good. Let's see how it goes. Go! אבל כדאי. This is just too good for us. We're Israelis, we're not used to seeing snow, and it's pretty much perfect. זה הכל. בגלל זה אני בפרס גם, תראי, באחר נצטרך לצבוע. Okay, so what we're going to do right now is just utilize the huge amount of snow that we have over here. So we're gonna have Shira walk towards the camera and Nada, which is currently filming, take a snowball and just throw it at her. Oh fuck, I think I ruined my lens. Oops. Yeah, I think it's good. So that's what we're gonna do. It's gonna be good, let's see how it goes. שוב. מעולה. וואו, מטורף. Okay, so for our next shot we found this tree and Shira actually already climbed it, and we're gonna get some shots here, use some depth with the snow and just throw with it, see what we can get. Ken, this is very sketchy. Look at that, I'm shaking. תסתכלי פה לפה? כן. Johnny. Hi guys. Oh, it's my flashlight. So basically what I'm doing with this tree is I'm just trying to get some angles because like it's a pretty unique composition now that you're in my frame. But that's what you want to look for in generally when you're shooting. Just try to get a variety of angles, because I mean a location can have so many possibilities, so why not use them? לא, אחי, לא! Wow, that was fun. Whoa. Okay, so we were just shooting here, having fun, and this guy over there just showed up with this incredible Jeep, so we got some shots of him. So that's awesome. And now Shira, which is very brave, changed her outfit and decided to wear a skirt. So we're gonna do some shots, hopefully get like that travel feeling, even though it makes no sense for you to wear a skirt in the snow. But hey, it's gonna look good. Let's go. This is dedication. It's so cold. Like, guys, I'm wearing a coat, a jacket, a sweatshirt, some tights and everything, and she's just exposed to the winds and the snow. Okay, so what we're doing right now is we're using the depth from these leaves to get a better shot of Shira, because it just looks so much better, because without the leaves it just looks kind of like this, which is cool and everything. Shira is beautiful, but adding this creates more depth in the photo and makes it a bit more interesting, a bit more unique in my opinion. So that's my tip for you, and this is just beautiful. Let's go! We did it. Wow. We are so cold. It was so beautiful though, and now we can see the Hermon, which is... Holy shit, this is beautiful. Wow. Well, we made it back to the car. It was pretty good, but we also got some pretty good shots, and I think I'll just talk to you guys later. Alright, let's talk about the shoot. To be honest, I'm just really happy with the photos we got. It pretty much matches the style I imagined when I first thought about this shoot. I think we managed to capture that travel feeling in the photos, and my favorite one is without a doubt the shot that I got right after falling off the tree of Shira just sitting on it with her legs pointed to the camera. Really like this shot. I think it just tells the story in a way, and I'm just really happy with it. Other than that, it was just fun to travel again. I'm currently in the process of regaining my passion for photography, because I feel like I've kind of got bored of it during the last couple of months, but I get it back there, so that's good. And other than that, I really don't have anything other to say, so I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, maybe learn something from it. If you did and you want to help me out, you can leave a like, comment, subscribe, do all that stuff. Before I finish this video, I'd like to say a huge thank you to Shira for modeling and just being awesome, and also a huge thank you to Nadav, which helped me film this entire video, the behind the scenes, and pretty much just helped with everything that we needed that day, so thank you guys. I left the links to their Instagrams down in the description below, so definitely make sure to give them a follow. It's been awesome hanging out with you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!